Alright, so after 2 hours, my baby chicken is ready. So 400 degree, take 2 hours to make this chicken. So it's one piece, two piece. So this is my baby chicken here. How does it look? Look eatable? I guess so. Let's show when we cook it. Awesome. So I can balance this. Yes, I do. Alright, so this is my chicken. Bring it over here. Okay. So this is all my baked chicken, ready to eat. Properly baked. Take a look right around. So it takes 2 hours to bake. It's a preheat the oven at 400 degrees. So that's it. Ready to eat. Eat. So baked chicken. Some red wine.